Hello. Hold on, baby. I will pull out the lesson. Did you know that there is an error a while ago in Google? So all the teachers in Pantado cannot access the lesson because there's a problem in Google. So right now I will try to pull it up because they sent me the lesson, the Pansado teacher or the Pansado admin, they sent me the lesson. So we are on Unit 18 movers, right?
Right.
Unit 19 movers. Hold on. They just right now it's just okay. We are on unit 19.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on, baby. How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I am hungry.
And tired?
I am hungry, baby.
Why are you hungry?
I'm not yet eating because I have lots of classes today. So I started at 5 o'clock in the afternoon and then I will finish at 11 p.m. in the evening.
You drinking milk?
Baby, milk is for the kids. I drank coffee. Okay, baby, let me share my screen, okay?
You drink coffee and you can't sleeping tonight.
Ah, you mean yeah, baby. I need it, baby, because I will work late tonight.
You have many, is that right?
Okay, baby, hold on. It's failed. Hold on. Unit 19.
Okay. How many teacher in the Petado?
Oh, there are many, baby. 60 Filipino, 60 plus.
Oh my God.
How about the Vietnamese teachers?
Many.
Many too, right?
Right.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start our lesson. Good evening, Nam. Teacher is very happy to see you today. So our lesson is about... Okay, what is the title?
Okay, hospital.
What's the matter?
What's the matter? Okay. I can see many people.
So have you been in the hospital?
It's many doctors.
Many doctors. Okay. 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 So, what can you see in the picture?
I see a boy, 3 boy and one man. 1 man and 3 children.
What are they doing?
I did not picture 1, 2.
Toothache, baby, I think.
What? What, teacher?
I think the first picture has a toothache. The second picture has a headache. The third picture is he is
Sick.
sick. And the
Sick.
fourth picture is he has a wound or he fell down. Okay, let's try to say toothache.
Toothache. Toothache. And what next? Toothache. And what next?
Baby, toothache,
Toothache.
earache,
Toothache.
temperature, hurt,
Temperature hurt.
hurt.
Hurt. And hurt.
Okay. Have you experienced toothache?
Egg. My grandfather.
How about you?
Me? No. Me not.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hurt. Okay. Earache. Oh my God.
No, me not egg. Is Simon temperature?
Yes.
Simon?
Simon had before he had a high temperature.
Toothache?
Mm?
Toothache? That right?
Yes. No toothache because he has a nice teeth and every day, 3 times a day, he needs to brush his teeth. Okay?
His temperature?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay, how about this? What's the first picture? The second picture. And what do you mean by hachi? What do you mean by that?
Funny.
The second picture.
Is she sick? Is she sick? Teacher, is she sick?
Yes. Maybe all of them are sick. Different kinds of sickness, okay? So, cough, sneeze.
Stomach touching.
Baby, cough, sneeze.
Sneeze.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Backache.
Backache.
Okay. Do you have cough?
Yeah. Do you?
Yes, always because I have when I am teaching kids, I will drink cold water. Oh my God.
People.
Or
people. All people is cow, not you and me.
Sneeze. Hachi.
Sneeze.
Stomach ache.
Stomach. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry? No, babies.
You hungry?
You have a stomach ache. Okay. How about this is I always feel backache because I am old already.
Okay. Backtrack.
Backache.
Backache.
Next. Right, baby. Can you see the screen that I am doing? Look, can you see the annotate word?
Yeah.
So you can click the annotate and you can write the word, okay?
I write it?
Okay, yes, you can write the word, okay?
Okay. I love to hear. Why? What why? What right?
Okay, baby. Blank. Write E, I, O, or U on the lines to complete the words and sentence.
It is E. It is I. Teacher, it is I.
You're going to put either E, I, O, or U, baby. Look at number 1.
On the book.
Okay, on the book.
What?
There's E, I, O, and U are missing from this sentence. Where do I need to write it?
Yeah, it's my question.
Okay, write it in your notebook. Where
My notebook. My notebook. I know it. With me, I pick up my pen.
Okay.
Here is my pen. Okay. Wyatt? I know it. It's many. How many minutes, teacher?
It's okay, baby. Take your time. I will not give you
It's
time limit.
many. It's many. I love this. Let me. It's many. It's many.
It's many. Do you want me to help you? Number 1 is?
It is.
I've got, look.
I got so much because I ate 100 at school today.
So that, there are many missing letters. Number 2, baby, go.
We work late.
Write it so that you have.
Ah, my God. I did like this. And it's many. I can't.
You can do it.
It's many. I got 5 minutes.
It's okay, baby. You can make it 10 minutes.
Okay. I done too.
Okay, we walk.
A late yesterday and new
We walked a lot yesterday and now both my feet hurt.
Her. Yeah.
Number
When
three, baby. Number three.
when my I know. Getting last week I hurt my hand and hurt that. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, what is it? When?
It's not easy. When my what is next night? I did not.
When my cousin and
And
I went
I
skating last week, I hurt my hand and
hurt my hand
okay, and he hurt his foot or leg.
arm. Okay. I write it.
Okay, can you read 1 to 3, baby?
We got a stomach because I asked about it at school today. We worked a lot yesterday and now both my feet hurt. When my cousin and I skating last week, I hurt my hand and he hurt his foot, leg, arm. Okay, teacher.
Okay, very good. Did you know? Okay, can you hear it? Can you read it?
My stomach hurt? What? I'm not. We got a stomach hurt. Me?
Me, I always. Okay, both sentences.
No.
Part of your body hurts. We can use hurts with any part of your body.
No, mine not. I'm not
example,
any. My
for example,
body.
baby, eye, ear, foot. Okay, can you read it?
For example, I eat food, but we achieve with only few parts of our body. For example, ear, tooth, head, stomach, back. Okay.
Yes. Read the sentences. Write the number and letter for the pick up.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
Okay.
This woman hurt her arm in the morning. 4C. A 4C. Okay. Number 2. Write it in your notebook.
Okay. 4C.
Okay. No, number 2.
The woman is hurt, but I see. Number one is bossy.
Number 1, 4C. Number 2, this boy was outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got Earache. I can see it.
I can see too.
Oh.
3C. 3C.
Baby,
Three.
earache, earache. So it means that the ears are the one that got hurt. Me? Oh, what?
B. 1B.
Yay! That's the correct one. 1B. Number 3.
Oh dear, that woman has hurt hand.
Oh dear.
Now oh dear, the woman has hurt hand. Now she can't play basketball. It's A. 4A.
Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can't play basketball.
4A.
4A. Let's find out. Hoo-hoo! Very good. Number 4.
Look that man look well. He got a temperature is 3C.
That's the one. 3C.
Very easy.
Yeah. Wow. Easy. That's more like it now. Very good, baby. Next.
This boy need to see a teacher. He got bad tooth hand. 1A. Very easy. 1A. This man carried a large big box from the car, and now he got back hurt. It's 3B. 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 Very easy for me.
Yeah.
3B. Give that girl a glass of water, please. He got a couch. 4B. 4B.
2B. Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cough.
I lost one. I lost one. That man over too quickly. Now she got a stomach. It's 3A. Very, very easy. 3A.
Wow, good job. Okay. Listen and tick the box, okay? Baby, write your answer in the paper if you don't know how to use the annotate, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
19C. What's the matter? Listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Ben?
You don't look well, Ben.
I know.
Have you got toothache again?
No, it isn't that.
What then? Have you got a headache?
No, it's my ear. I've got earache today.
Let's phone the doctor.
2. What was the matter with Kim today?
Kim didn't come to school today.
Why not? Was she tired?
No,
Did she have a cold then?
no, she has a cough.
3. What's the matter with Dad?
Dad, what's the matter? Have you got stomach ache?
No, not today.
Does your back hurt?
No, but I've got a temperature, I think.
Oh dear.
4. Why did Mum go to hospital?
My mum had to go to hospital this morning.
Oh dear. Why? Did she hurt her leg?
No, it wasn't her leg or her arm.
What did she do?
She hurt her hand.
I see.
Okay.
Okay, number 1. What's the matter with Ben?
B.
What was the matter with Kim today?
B.
What's the matter with Dad?
C.
Why did Mom go to the hospital?
A.
Yes. Read and choose the best answer. Okay, read it, baby, and then answer.
Why were you at school yesterday? That is today's lesson.
Baby number 1. Hello, Tom. How are you? Fine, thanks. The answer number 1. Why weren't you at school yesterday?
I went to a hospital. C.
Yes. What was the matter?
I hurt my foot.
The nurse was really nice.
Was she?
Yes. So are you all right?
Yes. So are you right? Yes, don't worry.
Very good. What are you doing now?
I'm waiting for my dad.
Very good, baby. Okay. Complete the sentences. Tom, use 1, 2, or 3 words.
Tom went to a hospital because she hurt her foot.
Hurt his foot. The
The
nurse
nurse that Tom was beautiful. A really nice. Beautiful and nice
are the same. I know it. I got it now. Tom's not in blank now. He's in the street and he's okay.
Street.
Tom's not in
the street.
Hospital. Now he's in the street and he's okay. Can you read 1, 2, 3, baby?
Tom went to the hospital because he hurt his foot. The nurse was Tom was really nice. Tom not hospital now. He's in the street and he's okay.
Okay, very good. Okay. Find 5 differences between Tom and Paul. Can you read it?
Tom and Paul put a part of their body for things are different. For example, Tom at home, but Paul is in hospital. What are different things you can see? I can see it.
Okay. Tom isn't sleeping
in the bed, but Paul is sleeping in the bed. Paul not hurt. Tom has got long hair, but Paul has got black hair. And 3 is Tom hurt his leg, but Paul hurt his arm. Okay.
Very good.
Why did Paul go to school today? He has got to hospital. What matter is him? His hurt arm. He hurt his arm. What did he do that? He's sleeping.
Accept any reason, okay?
He's sleeping.
Now.
He is in hospital.
Yes, good job. Saying CH. Charlie choose. Can you read it?
I don't like this.
Charlie. Teacher first. Charlie chose a cheese sandwich for lunch. Kim ate a lot of carrot cake, then she had a stomach ache. Go, go, go.
Cherry chose a
Cherry
cheese sandwich for lunch. Kim ate a lot of carrot cake. Then she had a stomach ache. Okay, teacher.
Okay. School
Chair lunch. Listen to.
Okay. Look, listen to the words that I will pronounce, okay? Cheese, sandwich, stomach, catch, ache, beach.
Okay. Cheese, sandwich, Thomas, catch, cheese, beach.
Yay. School,
Stomach,
ache.
stomach, ache. Chair lunch, cheese, sandwich, catch, beach. Very easy for me.
Yes, I know it, right? Baby, prepare your song, okay?
My song?
Yes, baby. I will put it in Zalo, your assignment, okay?
Okay.
Bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye.
Yes. Okay, baby, where's your song?
Okay, wait me, okay?
Of course, I will always wait for you, no matter what. No matter what.
I know it.
Should be nice, huh?
I know one song. I really like it.
You really like that song?
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, wait me. I put it in Zalo. Okay, wait me 1 minute. Here you are. Okay.
Oh, what's this?
Doraemon.
You like it? Okay, let me share my screen.
The song of Doraemon.
Can you hear it?
No. Yeah.
心の中いつもいつも描いてる夢を乗せた自分だけの世界地図空を飛んで時を越えて遠い国でもドアを開けて 迷わないで靴を履いて出かけよう。大丈夫さ、一人じゃない、僕がいるから。キラキラ輝く宝物探そうよ。道に迷っても泣かないでいいよ。秘密の道具で助けてあげるよ。シャララララ口笛吹いて高らかに歩き出そう。ドラえもんあの街まで届けばいいね。シャララララ僕らの未来夢がいっぱい溢れてるよ。ドラえもん君がいればみんなが笑顔になる。大人になってもきっと忘れない大切な想い、いつまでもずっと。シャララララ僕の心にいつまでも輝く夢。ドラえもんそのポケットで叶えさせてね。シャララララ歌を歌おう。みんなでさ手をつないで。ドラえもん世界中に夢をそう溢れさせて。
Yay! Baby, I don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't understand the song. It's what language is that? Japanese?
No, Doraemon.
No,
From
what language
Doraemon.
is that song? Yeah. It's English. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. So I'll put the assignment on Zalo, okay? Answer the assignment, baby, okay, ha? Promise me you'll answer it, okay?
It is
Okay, unit FF movers. FFM.
it is that download MP3. Download MP3. Download.
Okay, got it. So, baby, I'll send the homework in Zalo, okay?
Yeah.
And send your answer in Zalo too, okay?
It is download MP3.
Yes. I downloaded it, baby.
Okay. My mother learned to me, and I know it.
Maybe you don't answer the last question, last homework that we had. The last question was about no, you're just going to answer it. Homework, baby, I sent it, okay?
Okay.
You're going to answer it here, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye, baby.
And Merry Christmas.
We will see each other on Wednesday.
Yeah. Bye.
Good night.
Good night.